Hi everyone, just going to put our briquettes in here to season up our yep, all empty. And I just keep these all together, keep it nice and hot. Close this lid down, and of course using my fire slap gloves just get this going. A couple of other things I didn't show you. There's little tabs on the side here, just so you can get your probes in there. Another one on the other side as well. And for a lot of guys, the coolest thing of all is stubby holder, stubby opener rather. Oh yeah, this will start jumping up in temperature pretty quickly, and of course it'll be, before we know it, it'll be seasoned in. Righto guys, I'll come back to you shortly.